reported today in The Verge. This Sony remote control for TVs is also a portable speaker. Sony's new SRS LSR200 remote control isn't just elegantly named, it's also a portable speaker with a 13-hour battery. That way you can take your television audio to the kitchen, toilet, or wherever you'd like it without having to blast the TV's volume from across the house. The LSR200 features a pair of 2-watt stereo speakers and a center clear voice unit tuned for human voice frequencies. The speaker rests in a charging cradle that's attached to the TV, and charges the speaker from 0 to full in about 3 hours. It communicates to the base station, and thus, the TV, over 2.4 GHz wireless and can be used to play audio simultaneously with the TV's speakers. Sony says that its strip-proof infrared remote and speaker combo weighs 630 grams, 1.4 pounds. There's even a headphone jack. It's scheduled for release on February 22 in Japan for 20,000 yen, or roughly $180. For more on this story, visit the news article link.